Here's something you don't see too often outside of America, a pn4620. This is a what year? 2008. It's actually an Italian. It says Italy on the back. So I think this is about when they got brought out in Europe by Husqvarna, roughly, because they brought the same time as Mechanic. But this is a non-strato poulan. Once in a while you'll come across them here in Australia. They're actually not bad saws. This one needs a new pull cord, which I'll get tomorrow. Okay, first things first, I'll take this old one off. Oh, I can smell the non-barrel oil on this. Oh. Someone's been using engine oil. Anybody's working on these, go and get yourself, this is only $7 pair for 8 of them, an actual torque screwdriver. It makes life so much easier than trying to run with the bits. Non-strato. Well, that works too. A non-strato poulan. Very late in the game. It doesn't run the standard Warbro. I don't think it's a standard Warbro flywheel. It's a later version. A lot of them have the big fat chunky one, which is the same as a leaf bar. That's why most of your poulans are like this guy, a fat. It's got a leaf bar flywheel on it. If I'm lucky, it's on the back of this. If not, does this one say it? No, this one doesn't. 1/4. How long does it say? That's right. It actually is Husqvarna on the back of it. So it's about that long. It's a bit short. I remember on the back of this guy. I'm going to keep it. These old girls used to have written on this side. Needs a bit of a clean. Pipe length. Right there. 36 inches. Or 990 mil, basically 1 meter long. Hey, look at that one is. They're probably the new one too. But they're basically a meter long. Pretty much the same part. This one is, doesn't say what year. But they're not far off the same. You are. This one doesn't say when it was made. Or it does. It's hard to read. But you can see how similar they are in part wise, just a bit fatter on the outside. So yeah. pull that leaf out, then go back on. I need 36 inches, 39 inches or so. And good degrees by the look of it too. Good degrees, I get a chance. Oh, that's a tomorrow job, but 39 inches.